Lesson 6, Part 1, hover how to apply and copy an inner shadow effect. Navigate to the page 1 and click the black selection tool if it's not already selected. Then select the large image. Click Object on the menu bar and point to Effects. And then select Inner Shadow. The Effects dialog box opens with the Inner Shadow checked in the box on the left and Inner Shadow Settings on the right. Move the dialog box to C so you can see as much of the selected image as possible. So we're going to close this down too over here. Well, I can't because I got the dialog box open. But anyway, we're going to enter the setting shown in figure 63 on page 38. We're going to make sure this says Objects, Multiply 75%. The distance should be 0.1 inches and then press Tab. The offset should be 0.0707 and Tab. The angle should be 1.35 and Tab. And we're not going to check global light. The size should be 0.1 inches. Noise should be 0 and choke should be 0. Okay, since up here this doesn't have 1 inch, so we're going to go back and put 0.1 and these should be 0.70. Make sure your screen looks like figure 63 and select OK. Okay. Your results should resemble figure 64 on page 838. With the large image still selected, open the effects panel. And if you don't see it in your panels list over here, go to Windows and Effects. Then click the FX button at the bottom of the panel. As shown in figure 65 on page 839, the menu lists the inner shadow as having been applied to the image. Select the 5 small frames at the bottom of the layout. And we're going to set the choke and we're going to set the choke color to none. And as you can see, when you set the choke color to none, you'll see this right through here. Select the large image again, then drag the FX from the highlighted object line in the effects panel to the leftmost small frame. When you've completed doing this, deselect all the frames and then compare your results to figure 67, and then save your work. This concludes Chapter 8, Lesson 6, Part 1.